Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. In this video I am going to show you disable Snapchat notification on your phone. So let's jump right in. First take your phone, then open the main settings app. After the settings page is open, scroll down and look for the notification option, click on them. After that, look at the top menu bar. Here you can find the app notification option. Tap to open them. After the page is open, here you can basically scroll down or use the search bar to easily find the Snapchat app. Once you search for the Snapchat app, once you found them, tap on their name to open the notification page. Right now, the Snapchat notification currently activated. If you decide to disable Snapchat notification on your phone, simply tap on the main toggle switch at the very top and automatically disable Snapchat notification on your phone. That's it, how you can easily done.